Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into 28 amazing ways to use ginger, one of the most versatile and flavorful ingredients out there, packed with health benefits. Ginger helps with digestion, boosts your immune system, and adds a kick of flavor to so many dishes. Let's look at how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. 1. Ginger tea. Just slice fresh ginger, steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, and add some lemon or honey for extra flavor. This soothing drink aids digestion and strengthens your immune system. 2. Smoothies. Toss a small piece of ginger into your favorite fruit or veggie smoothie. Not only does it add a spicy kick, but it also enhances the anti-inflammatory benefits of your drink. 3. Ginger and stir fries. Grate or chop ginger and sauté it with garlic before adding your veggies or protein. It adds a zesty flavor that makes your stir fries pop. 4. Ginger salad dressing. Blend fresh ginger with soy sauce, rice vinegar, and olive oil for a quick and tangy salad dressing. Super refreshing and easy to make. 5. Ginger-infused water. Slice up some ginger and let it infuse in your water bottle. It's a subtle way to get ginger's health benefits throughout the day. 6. Ginger in baking. Whether it's cookies, muffins, or cakes, adding ginger, fresh or powdered, brings a warm, spicy flavor. It pairs beautifully with cinnamon and nutmeg. 7. Ginger marinades. Mix grated ginger with soy sauce, garlic, and sesame oil to marinate meats. It tenderizes and adds a mild, spicy flavor. 8. Soups. Add fresh or powdered ginger to soups like carrot, pumpkin, or chicken broth. It adds warmth and a unique depth of flavor, especially in hearty soups. 9. Pickled ginger. Ever tried pickled ginger with sushi? It's tangy, refreshing, and a perfect palate cleanser. Try it as a side for salads too. 10. Ginger and yogurt. Stir a little grated ginger into plain yogurt with a drizzle of honey. It's a delicious and healthy snack or breakfast option. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our health tips. 11. Ginger shots. Blend fresh ginger with lemon juice, honey, and water, then strain it. A quick shot of this is perfect for boosting your immunity and energy. 12. Ginger and oatmeal. Add a pinch of ginger to your morning oatmeal with fruits like apples or bananas for a cozy, spicy sweet flavor. 13. Ginger and rice or quinoa. Sauté ginger before cooking rice or quinoa, or toss in slices while it boils. It infuses the grains with a mild, aromatic flavor. 14. Ginger-infused syrup. Simmer ginger with sugar and water to create a syrup for cocktails, teas, or as a topping for pancakes. Sweet with a spicy twist. 15. Ginger carrot juice. Juice carrots with a bit of ginger and an apple for sweetness. This refreshing combo is packed with nutrients and has a spicy kick. 16. Ginger and curries. Start your curry with grated ginger, onions, and garlic. It enhances the flavor and adds warmth to any Indian or Thai dish. 17. Ginger and granola. Add ground ginger to your granola mix before baking. It gives a unique spice that pairs perfectly with oats, nuts, and dried fruits. 18. Ginger garlic paste. Blend ginger and garlic for a paste that works great as a base for marinades, stir-fries, or sauces. A flavor bomb. 19. Ginger glaze for veggies. Make a glaze with ginger, honey, and soy sauce to drizzle over roasted veggies like carrots or sweet potatoes. The sweet-spicy combo is irresistible. 20. Ginger popsicles. Blend ginger with fruit juice and freeze in molds for a refreshing popsicle that's great for digestion and cooling down. 21. Ginger tofu scramble. Sauté ginger with onions and turmeric, then add crumbled tofu for a flavorful, plant-based breakfast. 22. Ginger-infused oil. Heat oil with ginger slices, let it cool, then strain. This ginger-infused oil adds a subtle aroma and flavor to stir-fries or salads. 23. Ginger in pancakes or waffles. Add ground ginger to your pancake or waffle batter along with cinnamon. It's a perfect fall breakfast, especially with maple syrup. 24. Ginger cocktails or mocktails. Muddle fresh ginger in the bottom of your glass, then add lime, mint, or soda water for a spicy, refreshing drink. 25. Ginger spice rub for meat. Mix ground ginger with garlic powder and brown sugar for a dry rub on meats. It's especially good when grilled or roasted. 26. Ginger ice cream or sorbet. Add ginger syrup to homemade ice cream for a zesty contrast to the creamy sweetness. It's such a refreshing treat. 27. Candied ginger. Slice ginger, simmer in sugar water, and coat in sugar for a sweet and spicy snack. Great on its own or as a dessert topping. 28. Ginger jam. Make ginger jam with sugar and a citrus base like lemon or orange. Spread it on toast or use it as a glaze for meats for a sweet and spicy twist. There you have it, 28 incredible ways to enjoy ginger. Whether you're into sweet, savory, or something in between, there's a ginger recipe for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another health tip. Thanks for watching.